my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
My brothers
my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country
And
and I am
proud of
proud of
its history
its rich
and very heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be of it.
to be worthy of it.
With my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders.
and elders.
I shall see everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy
To my country
to my country
and my people,
and my people.
pay my question.
I place my devotion
In their well-being,
in their well-being
prosperity alone,
and prosperity alone
none.
lies my